How to use the power of 3. When you're using Pomifera's power of 3, you want to start with cleansed skin. And you're going to dry your face and you are going to apply your Pomifera BRIGHTEN Vitamin C Serum. If you have sensitive skin, I suggest spot treating with the C Serum because it is 20% vitamin C and can be a little harsh on the face. My skin doesn't like it when I put it everywhere, but it does a great job brightening in the areas I need it to. You're going to follow that with the plump serum, but this is a hyaluronic acid and needs to go on damp skin. So let your vitamin C absorb all the way, then mist your face with a little bit of water, or you could use the Refresh Body Mist as a toner. Take your plump serum, 1 drop on each area is fine. We are going to sort of massage and then pat until it is nice and absorbed. Then we are going to seal all that goodness in with our anti-aging serum, Pomifera Pure. To get your own Pomifera, follow my page, like this post, and comment link below. Have the best day.